All right, I got the Braun Series 5 electric shaver. This is the 5118 model. We're going to go ahead and just do a quick unboxing and take a look at everything that comes inside. All right, let's go ahead and open it up here. Okay, looks like you have your Braun Series 5 instruction manual. All right away, right there, we see that we have our shaver. Okay, there's the shaver there. Okay, let's set that down. Here we have a brush for cleaning. Here at the top, looks like you have your trimmer attachment for trimming up. And then in here, yep, there is the charging cable and plug. All right, so that's everything that came in the box of the Braun Series 5 electric shaver. This is the 5118 model. Keep that in mind. This one doesn't come with as many attachments as one of the other models there that they do sell. Uh, let's see if it does come charged and ready to go out of the box. Let's just turn it on and check. All right, so it does not look like it comes charged. There you go. That's everything that came with the Braun Series 5 electric shaver, 5118 model.